Hey guys, it's Club Nikki 7 back with yet another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper airplane with paper. So I was running low on paper, so yeah, we're gonna be using this I think around 7" by 7" flannel sheet of paper. My mom let me borrow it. She said she needed it for printing, but that's okay. That's okay. It's okay. So first, what you want to do, this by the way, this flies like a jet. Alright, so what you want to do first is you want to take it, you want to take it, you want to be like this, you want to fold it like this, fold it in half. This is just a re-upload of back from 4 years ago when I uploaded how to make a paper airplane. So now that you have it like this, you want to take the corners and wrap them down. Just like so. And there you go. You have the corners wrapped down. Make sure you're holding it, because, yeah. And then, you want to fold the back over. Once you fold the back over, you're good to go. And now your paper airplane made with paper can fly like a jet. So I'll show you. See? That was really cool. That's it for this video.